Hey guys. You're here because you want to learn how to make your first million. And I totally get it, being a teenager isn't just about school and hanging out, it's the start of your journey into the world of big opportunities. You don't want to live the old way, relying on your parents or working some minimum wage job, right? You want to become financially independent and create your future, starting right now? Well, today I'm going to tell you about 5 steps that will help you make your first million. It doesn't matter how old you are, it's possible. Yes, you can make money while you're still in school. In this video, I'm going to share the key strategies that can change your life. Ready? Let's go. A million won't come to those who just wait for someone else to do the work for them. You need to become an expert in something you love. What do you enjoy doing? Are you interested in vlogging, coding, design, or maybe you're really good at selling? Start right now. Think about what skills you can develop to make yourself in demand. Take online courses, watch tutorials, read books, and practice. Do everything you can to become an expert. The world won't wait for you to master your craft, but if you put in the effort, the world will notice, and your hard work will pay off. While your friends are wasting time on pointless games, you'll be working on becoming better. Be the best at what you do, and the money will follow. You're not planning on working for pennies, right? Well, then you need to think about how exactly you're going to earn. Making a million is possible in many ways, but the key is strategy. Let me tell you this up front, don't leave things to chance. Plan your income in advance. You have a few options. Well, then you need to think about how exactly you're going to earn. Making a million is possible in many ways, but the key is strategy. Let me tell you this up front, don't leave things to chance. Plan your income in advance. You have a few options. Freelance, if you already have skills in design, coding, copywriting, or even video editing, you can start taking freelance jobs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, these platforms can make you money. But be ready for it to be hard. You'll need to create amazing content that people want to watch. It's just like running a business, you have to put in the time, but if you find your niche, success will follow. Selling products, you can start your own online store through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. If you're creative, you can make unique products that will be popular with your audience. Remember, you need to always set clear goals, how much you want to earn, which method you'll use, and in what time frame. Don't forget about constant improvement and scaling. Your personal brand is your business card online. You might be talented, but if no one knows about you, your efforts will go unnoticed. Building a personal brand isn't just about creating a social media profile, it's a thoughtful process where you show what makes you unique. Start by being active on social media. Show how you're growing, share your successes, and don't be afraid to show your mistakes, it's part of the journey. When you're open and honest with your audience, people will start to trust you. It's also important to create unique content. Understanding your audience and making content that's interesting and valuable to them is key to success. The more value you bring to people, the quicker they'll be willing to pay for your services or products. When you start making money, your goal is not to spend it all on looking cool. Reinvest your earnings into new projects, education, or tools that will help you grow. The more you invest in your personal development, the faster your income will grow. You can reinvest your money into online courses to increase your skills, marketing to grow your audience, quality tools to help you work more efficiently. The key is not to waste your money on things that won't help you reach your goals. At the start, your goal is to preserve and multiply your capital. If you want to become a millionaire, forget about the first step. A million is not the result of one big win, it's the result of many small steps you take every day. There will be challenges on your path and moments when you'll want to give up. That's normal. But it's in these moments that you need to remember that only those who don't quit achieve their goals. Keep learning, expand your network, try new methods and strategies. The more you keep moving forward, the more opportunities will open up for growth. Making a million is not an overnight process, but if you take steps toward your goal every day, you'll definitely reach it. The main thing is don't give up, and remember, you're creating your future. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with friends who also want to make their first million. Write in the comments which step you've already started taking and what challenges you've encountered along the way. We're all learning from each other. Remember, success is the result of daily effort. Are you ready to become a millionaire? Then start taking action right now. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Online surveys and microtasks may not make you rich, but they're an easy way to earn extra cash with minimal effort and no special skills required. Platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars reward you for simple tasks like answering surveys, watching videos, or browsing the web. You earn rewards in the form of gift cards or cash back. While each task pays a small amount, doing a few each day can add up over time. It's a great side hustle if you need some extra cash. You can also become a tester for websites and apps. User testing pays you to try out websites and apps, providing feedback on your experience. These tasks are quick, flexible, and perfect for earning money from home. Secret to success: this isn't a full-time income, but it's great for beginners. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. Consider joining multiple platforms to maximize your earnings. Now that you know some ways to make money online, here's how to take action. Choose a method, pick something that fits your interests. Love writing? Try freelancing. Into tech? Create an online course. Unsure? Start with online surveys or selling items on eBay. Get educated? Take the time to learn about your chosen path. Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more successful you'll be. Start small, begin with a small project and a modest budget. As you gain experience, you can scale up and increase your income. Be patient, success takes time. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt as you go. Don't expect quick results, but persistence will pay off. Stay focused, avoid distractions. Stick to one path until it generates income, then explore other options. Making money online isn't just about quick cash, it's about building something long-lasting. Whether you're freelancing, starting a business, or investing in stocks, these steps will help you move toward financial freedom. Take the first step today. The internet is full of opportunities to build your future. The key to success is action. Start now, be patient, and watch your efforts lead to success. You've got this. Let's go build your online income.